Hi everyone! I wanted to talk to you about the epideictic speech assignment. That is our next speech. And the epideictic presentation is a special occasion speech. So that means a ceremonial speech. And the purpose is to share in values with your audience. So that could be about honoring, praising, commemorating, celebrating. But it could also be on the flip side, blaming, criticizing, condemnation, and other critical examinations of a person, place, or thing. Could be an event or idea. Okay. For our purposes, there are two major components of this epideictic speech. One is that you will choose someone to honor. So someone special in your life, and it's somebody you know. So it needs to be a relative or a coach or someone that you have interacted with and who has had an impact on your life, a positive, meaningful impact. And so although there are these other ways of doing an epideictic speech, our focus is to honor the person rather than some of the other purposes. So we're focusing on honoring. And we want to avoid choosing a subject whom you don't know. And I'm sure there are a lot of people you admire, celebrities or public figures you admire, and that's wonderful. But it becomes a lot more challenging to use those subjects to honor because it ends up often being a biography. So we want to keep these a little bit closer, and it's harder to do that with that celebrity or public figure subject. And this is a speech that is often more uncomfortable for people because in the past you've done informative speaking and you're removed more from that subject. Here you're close with the subject, so you're closing that gap. And that can make it a little bit challenging. The other component of this is that you will choose a language device that you will be using to help express your ideas. So a language device, also called a speech device or literary device, are things like metaphors, similes, onomatopoeia, synecdoche. There are a lot of different ones. There's thousands and thousands, and you may choose from any of them that you think would be helpful, but you're only using one and one instance of it in your speech. And in the following pages and supplementary material, you'll see some examples, and that can be helpful to use. But you only need to choose one, and you can choose from many different types. So those are the assignment guidelines for that. There's also a speech template outline, preparation outline you'll use, and you'll disclose how you're using your language device. So that can be helpful. And just so you know what an epideictic speech is, it comes from a Greek term meaning special occasion speaking. And it's just more of a fancy term for that special occasion speaking. And you've seen many examples before: wedding toasts and birthday party toasts, eulogies. Those are all examples. Even comedic roasts are examples of the epideictic speech, because you're honoring someone by dishonoring them. But again, for our purposes, we're just choosing to honor somebody, and you're choosing somebody close to you in your life that you can attribute to really making a mark in your life. Please do let me know if you have any questions, but I just wanted to help you understand the assignment. So make sure to read this thoroughly and let me know if you have any concerns. Thank you, everybody. I look forward to hearing your topics and your speeches. And although we're not doing speech topic bubble maps for this, if you would like to email me your topic, that would be great, but you're not required to do it as an assignment. Thank you.